That's very good.
Sky Law, a celebration of community, connection and First Nations culture. Brisbane Festival, Brisbane City Council, the Star Brisbane and the Courier Mail proudly present Sky Law, the Rainbow Serpent by Shannon Ruska of Tribal Experiences and Nova Sky Stories with original composition by Guy Webster. We also thank our partners South Bay Corporation, Eureka and Brisbane Festival's Giving Program. And now, we thank you for joining us as we witness together the flight of 400 drones taking to the sky to light up this 65,000-year-old story.
Whoa, there they are. That's so cool. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Hey, look how they stop in the air. Oh my god, that is so cool. So cool, it's like the sky is moving.
Once upon a time, in the ancient dream time of the Yagara-Turrbal people in Brisbane, in the trailing stars of the Milky Way, the rainbow serpent Mundagara traversed the heavens, its iridescent scale shimmering with colours of creation. With each graceful movement, it wove the fabric of the cosmos, leaving behind a trail of stardust that illuminated the night sky.
That's so cool.
One day, drawn by an unseen force, the rainbow serpent descended from the heavens, crashing down upon the ancient land of Brisbane with a thunderous roar. The impact echoed across the landscape, awakening the spirits that slumbered beneath the earth.
Damn.
From the heart of this celestial collision emerged Will Wimper, the angry spirit wind, whose ferocious howls threatened to unleash chaos upon the land. Sensing the impending danger, the creatures looked to their wise elder, Kumibura, the knowledge holder, for guidance. Protect everyone, use your frilled neck. Kumibura's voice rang out, carrying the weight of the ancient wisdom and authority. Binangorang, the frill-neck lizard, answered the call, spreading his magnificent frill wide to shield his kin from Will Wimper's fury.
Good MP3 server.
Alongside him, Kusa the honeybee buzzed with determination, rallying her fellow insects to join the defense. Despite the howling winds and the lashing rain, they stood firm, their spirits unyielding against the storm. With Binangorang's full neck and the united efforts of the creatures of Brisbane, a barrier was formed against the raging tempest. Emerged victorious, their bond stronger than ever. As the rainbow serpent ascended back to the heavens, its radiant form disappearing into the night sky, it left behind a legacy, a legend that would be passed down through the generations.
So cool.
Today, we see them. Kumibura, the crayfish at Marta Hill. Will Wimper, the windstorm near Roma Street Parklands. Kutha, the honeybee, towering up Mount Kutha. Mariel, the old auntie at Spring Hill. And Binangorang, the frill-neck lizard at Highgate Hill. The spirit of the Dreamtime lives on. The legend of the rainbow serpent Mundagara and the great battle of Will Wimper, the wind spirit, became etched into the fabric of our land.
That is so cool, man. to them. So like in the beginning we're like, what the fuck is that? That's so good. That was so good, man. Oh, are they gonna go back now? You can see them? Oh yeah. I love it. I know, right? Maybe I remember for all of this.
We filmed the whole thing.
Yeah. I know.